it should start itself. You see, it reaches display and stop. So if you want it to start all over, just put loop. So that means when it reach the end, it will start again. Let's wait here. You can see it start again. So that is now. What about audio? If it's audio you are dealing with, change this to audio. So you change this to your audio. Then the source of your audio. I have MP3 here. It works like video, just that this extension is video, and then the tag is video. So MP3 and this will change. So let's try it. Oh, my audio does not show. Why? There is no control. So let's add control there. You can see it shows now. So if I click here, it starts. So, but if you want it to start automatically, the same way with that video tag. So you just say auto start true. Then loop. You want it to start all over. Okay, we reach this side. What will happen? Yeah. So that's how that's.
So how long have you been doing this?
Okay. Now let's start about string. All my JavaScript code I want to write inside body. You can write it in the editor. Let me write it inside body. So we want to deal with string in JavaScript. You know this is JavaScript, so your code will be here. So to start now, let me write var uh, car name. I want to use car name. So let's use Volvo. Okay. Now, if you want to, the first thing you want to do now, I want to find the number of string that is here. Let me use like this. E is now E is a boy. Let me write boy name. E is a boy. We create a variable called boy name. When I put is a string, that's why I put quote quote. So E is a boy. How can we check the length of this? E is a boy. So to check the length, let me create another variable called check length. So this to check the length of the boy name. So this is my value, this is my variable. So I want to check the length of this. E is a boy. A length just the length of it. If I should count now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's check the length like this. So you write boy name because he is a boy is already inside boy name. Now boy name dot length. So this is a simple way to check the length. I mean the length of the word. The word is already inside boy name. So I now take out that boy name dot length. So how can I present it out? Let's use simple alert so that it can work faster. If you refresh, it shows 11. Is it true that our answer is 11? Let's count. H 1, 2, 3. Space is you count space also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, it's complete. So that is a simple way to find the length of a string. What if we have like this? Let's check the length. 31. So if you count them now, you count 31. So don't forget that space, you will count space also. But sometimes you may want to write my let's write my boyfriend's name. So now I'm not counting anything. I just want to show it out that my boyfriend's name is saved inside A now. So if I want to echo it out, let's see what will happen. It works perfectly fine. Or maybe I should use document dot write. This will be okay. So boy name, it works well. Good. Now sometimes you may not use this double quote. You can just use single quotes like this and use single quotes like this. Now I use single quotes my boyfriend's name. So I have three single quotes, which is very, very wrong. I said it earlier that your quotes must contradict. If you have double quotes in one area, you must end it with double quotes, and any quote you want to use inside should be another one. So it should be single quote. That is why this one works. And if you want to make everything to be single quote like this, you have to escape this one. So to escape is to use forward slash, or sorry, backward slash. So this one is to escape that I and that quote, so that this quote and this one they will not contradict. So let's check it out now. You see that it shows where my boyfriends. So but if you don't put this there, let's run it and see what will happen. Refresh. Do you see anything? Nothing. Let's debug and see what happens. Check the console here. If you right click and inspect, that's when this thing will come. So in this place, click on the error found. So the error is here. Or you tap here, console. So the error is here. So tap here. You can see the mistake. So it shows well yellow in this side. That means error occurs here. So it's because of the wrong use of quote. And you can see this place changes to white. That means the error happened. So if you want to make use of quotes like this, you should use backward slash. So that is a simple way to escape. Now, what if you want to emphasize on something? Maybe you want to write my boyfriend's name is, you now put this. In fact, let's leave it like this. My name is. Will it work? You can see it worked perfectly fine. What if you use double quotes in this side? You use double quote again here. What will happen? It does not work. Why? Because we have double quotes. You now use this double quote. It's as if you open your double quote here and you close the double quote here. So which one again is this? So that means you must escape this and you must escape the second one. So let's check it like this. You can see it works. Now, what I'm saying in excess is that if your quote resembles like this, you have double quotes here. At the end, you will have double quote is a must. If you have single quotes here, at the end you will have single quote is a must. But in what you want to supply inside that double quote or single quote, you must not use the quote you use to start. But if you still want to use it, no problem, you have to escape it.